How to hard reset Honor X60i. Step 1. To initiate the process, power off your Honor X60i using the power button. Step 2. Connect your mobile phone to the computer using a USB cable and simultaneously press the power volume up keys until the Honor logo appears. Step 3. The recovery mode should now be visible on the screen.